friends, Sincerely Legenia, I am back. I have been on a bit of a hiatus, and no, I have not been faithful to my keto diet, but I am back. I am starting again right now, back on the keto train, and I cannot wait to share some of these delicious dishes with you. As promised in my last video, I am going to be showing you 5 different delicious chicken keto meals. So chicken is going to be the star of every dish this week. Monday through Friday, I'm going to post a new keto dish that is going to spotlight chicken. So on today's menu, I have for you a delicious smoky bacon wrapped chicken. I take chicken breast strips, I cut them up, and I wrap delicious smoky bacon around them, and I pair it alongside a delicious smoky dipping sauce. You can use this dish as an appetizer or a dinner. Pair it alongside some delicious asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, whatever you wish. So if you want to learn how to make this delicious dish, stay tuned because I have got a treat for you. While our bacon wrapped chicken is cooking, it is time to make the dipping sauce. So we'll begin with 1 cup of mayo, 1½ teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Your favorite hot sauce is just fine. And then we're going to mix that together. Our bacon wrapped chicken is ready, and I'm taking it off the grill now, and I am plating it up here.